Bangalore isn't just a city, it's the launchpad for the next generation of tech giants. But what if your entrance scores didn't reflect your true potential? Don't let a single exam define your career. We are diving deep into the world of management quota and direct entry into Bangalore's elite BTech colleges. Your journey from student to software powerhouse starts right here. Now, talking about the direct admission eligibility and the process. I'm talking over here regarding the management quota seats. Talking about the application method, you need to visit the college directly and apply for management quota by submitting required documents. Now let's talk about the colleges and the corresponding fees to it. Talking about MSRIT Bangalore, Ramaiah Institute of Technology, the fees for this particular institute for Karnataka students, it's 3.32 lakhs yearly, and for non-Karnataka student, it's 3.33 lakhs. I'm talking with respect to first year only. Talking about BMS College of Engineering, Bangalore, the fees ranges between 4 to 15 lakhs yearly because these are management quota seats. Talking about Sir M. Vishveshwaraya Institute of Technology, Bangalore, the management quota fees, it ranges between 1.50 lakhs to 6 lakhs yearly. DSCE Bangalore, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, the fees ranges between 12 to 24 lakhs in total. Talking about MVJ College of Engineering Bangalore, the fees ranges between 4.16 to 10.50 lakhs total. Now talking about New Horizon College of Engineering Bangalore, the fees ranges between 10 to 15 lakhs yearly. Let's move ahead and now talk about the placement stats for these colleges. For MSRIT Bangalore, Ramaiah Institute of Technology, the average salary package is rupees 4.50 lakhs. BMS College of Engineering Bangalore, the average salary package over here is rupees 9.8 lakhs. For PES University Bangalore, the average salary package is 7.10 lakhs. Talking about the BIT Bangalore, Bangalore Institute of Technology, the average salary package over here is 7.66 lakhs. Moving ahead and talking about Sir M. Vishveshwaraya Institute of Technology, the average salary is rupees 4.30 lakhs. For Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, the average salary is 5.50 lakhs. For MVJ College of Engineering Bangalore, the average salary package is rupees 3.50 lakh. For New Horizon College of Engineering Bangalore, the average salary is rupees 6.50 lakhs. So dear ones, just have a look over here for the colleges that are accepting low entrance score. CMR University Bangalore, New Horizon College of Engineering, Christ University, Dayanand Sagar University, the Oxford College of Engineering, AMC Engineering College Bangalore, Amrita School of Engineering Bangalore. Rest you can just have a look over here. Well, talking about the popular BTech specialization, the colleges provide aerospace engineering, metallurgical and materials engineering, electrical, civil engineering, biomedical, robotics engineering, environmental, ceramic engineering, computer science engineering, textile engineering. You have got the vision and now you have the roadmap. Bangalore is waiting for its next big innovator. Why shouldn't it be you? Smash that like button if you're ready to claim your seat, subscribe for more career shifting tips, and go secure your future. The clock is ticking, so move fast.